What's good, Ignitions? What's good? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good, fam? Thank you guys for the continued support, and welcome back to another video. Y'all, it's very bright in here. Like, I got my two soft boxes, my ring light, two lights over here. Y'all, it's very bright in here. I decided to figure out how to work this, I guess the camera settings, because I've been feeling like the background is super dark, and like in some of my videos, like I look so dark, like you can't really see the makeup. So hopefully when I edit this video, everything looks good. Anyway, that's besides the point. What's good, y'all? So in today's video, we are going to go ahead and do a collective haul. I did get a lot of stuff, and mind you, this is only 2 packages. I still have my Sephora VIB sale that we have to unbox. I got a lot of makeup in here. This is the one size box. I just decided to throw everything in here. So I guess I'll start off. I mean, everything is all over the place. So, alright guys. So I did wind up placing an order on elfcosmetics.com because there were some things that I saw that I wanted and I couldn't find them in any kind of at my local Target, at my local Walmart. So I did want to pick up a few things from the Cookies and Dreams collection. So I did pick up a few things, which I'm very, very happy for. So this was one of the main things that I did wanted to pick up, which is the Cookies and Dream No Budge eyeshadow. So I did pick this up. I wanted to pick this up because the color is beautiful. I love a light blue that's very pigmented. So I wanted to have this not only as an eyeshadow base, but as like a waterline color because I'm all in it for the blues. So then I wound up picking up from the same collection the lip exfoliator. I don't have any kind of lip exfoliators and my lips have been really chapped lately. So I was like, let me try this. So I picked this one up. I do like how some of the stuff in the collection do smell. I did pick up these 2 lip glosses from the collection. So one is called, this milky one is called Creams Come True, which I think is the perfect name for this one. I love that it has like, it's that milky color. And these smell really, really good. They smell like, to me they smell like maybe, ooh, it smells like yogurt and maybe cookies. I did use this one already in a tutorial. And then I did pick up this blue gloss, which is called Brain Freeze. And I got this because I knew it was already it was going to be a clear gloss. Actually, let me go ahead and gloss up my lips really quickly. I did already say that I did not like the dispenser. Not the actual applicator, the dispenser. It traps a lot of the product so nothing gets on the applicator. So you really don't get nothing. You really have to continue reapplying, but I'm gonna use it. I might just pull out with a pair of pliers. We used to do that at MAC when we didn't have any more gloss. Back in the days when we couldn't afford, you know, to buy glosses and stuff, I used to take out the applicator, the stopper here, and then just get all of the gloss. So that's a little tip for you guys. If you guys want to, you know, get all of your lip glosses, just take out the stopper. This is truly what I wanted because I thought it was very unique, and this is the Cookies and Dream Milkshake Overnight Mask. Now, this smells so good. I actually used this morning. Oh, it smells so good. I love the packaging, but what I really found intriguing with this product was that you can use it as a prepping mask. So you can use it, you can put it on your skin for 15 minutes and then go and put your skincare on. And I love that concept because I am always here for the skincare prep, especially before makeup, because if you don't prep your skin the right way, your makeup is never going to look flawless. I'm just saying. So this one is definitely one for the collection. This is limited edition, so I am gonna place an order for 2 more of these just to have them. I do like it. And also what I really truly went to e.l.f. for was, besides the Cookies and Dream collection, I saw these oils on the website and nobody talks about them. So I did pick up 2 of the oil sprays. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with oils. I have very like normal to dry skin. In dead winter in New York, my skin can be very dehydrated. So literally, oils have changed my life and it is a must, a part of my prepping routine. So I did pick these 2 oils up and I'm very excited to try them. I'm currently using the Pixie Priming Oil, which I'm obsessed with and I love. And I don't think nothing's going to replace that, but I definitely wanted to try this because it does have a spray dispenser, and I think that I'm always here for the quickness of it all. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. You know you're going to hear something about these because, again, I love my oils. And the last thing I picked up from e.l.f. was the Happy Hydration Cream. This is the hemp derivative cannabis sativa seed oil. That's a handful. So I did pick this one up. I did wanted to try this one because the Halo Hydration Cream is nice. I still felt like I needed more hydration, so that's why I actually picked up these. So I am going to mix this with a little bit of the oil and see how that works, and hopefully that is the end of my search for, you know, skincare prep, at least before makeup. So, stop playing. If you know, you know. These are the Sonia Kashuk sponges. Y'all, I am obsessed. Hello? There we go. I'm obsessed with these sponges. This is the only beauty sponge on the market that comes close to the Beauty Blender. I truly live by these and vouch for these sponges. I've gone through about 5 of them, and I just opened a new one a few videos ago, and again, I love this sponge, and this sponge lasts me a very long time. I just got backups because it's very hard to find these nowadays. I don't know why, but I barely see them in the aisle, so I was like, let me just pick up 2. Recently, I placed an order at the P. Louise website. They were having a sale a few weeks ago, and I mean, they didn't have anything by the time I got on the website, but the little bit that they did have, I ordered what I could, things that I actually wanted. So I guess we'll start off with the bases. Everybody talks about these bases, so I was like, let me get my hands on them. So this is the beautiful box that came in. First of all, P. Louise's packaging is A1. It is chef's kiss. Like, they be going in. So first of all, this slides out, and y'all look at how gorgeous this presentation is. Like, what? How freaking cute! But these are the beautiful colors. So I got 4 of the eyeshadow bases. I got them in the pastel colors. So I got a purple, I have a green, a pink, and a blue, which I'm super excited to have a part of my collection because, y'all, I don't do any of my eyeshadow looks without my P. Louise bases. So I'm super excited to have these and can't wait to create some magic with these bases. So talking about bases, so I did get a total of 6 bases. I was looking for the paint in the white, this paint right here in the white shade, but they didn't have it. They were sold out, and every time I go on the website, they are sold out. I'm just like, I'm never gonna get my hands on it. So I decided to just get the regular base in the white. So I did pick this one up in Rumor Zero. There you go, guys. So this is in Rumor Zero. This is the pure white one, and I'm excited to have this. So anytime I do not want to go ahead and cut my crease, I can just put a little bit and open up my eyes. This is gonna be one of the ones that are gonna be most used on my channel. So I did pick up Extra Spicy, and this is the nice pink base. Of course, guys, you know I had to get a pink one, and let me tell you, I am so excited. So this came with the P. Louise brush. Let me show you guys. So it did come with this brush, and y'all, let me just tell you guys, I used this today to do some detail work, and I freaking love this brush. This brush was perfect for detail work. I definitely cleaned up a lot of the lines with this, and I'm super excited to be cutting my crease with this in my next video. So I'm excited to use this. I love this brush. I might have to pick up a few of them, but the number on this one is 7072, and again, I truly like this brush. This was the brush that was missing in my collection. So moving on, I did pick up 3 eyeshadow palettes. These were in a set, and they called the Stack Them Up palettes. I'll show you guys what they look like. So I did get a blue one, a purple one, and then I did pick up a pink one. Again, this came in a bundle. So let me show you guys the pink one. This is one of the palettes. Look at how beautiful. It literally is a stack of money. But look at the gorgeous color story. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my god, like how beautiful. I'm so excited to be playing with these P. Louise eyeshadow, which I'm very excited, guys. So you definitely are going to see these on my channel and in the next upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. So this is the lemon lip oil, and first of all, this packaging is so cute, y'all. Like, how freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh, so cute. I did try this and it does not feel like an oil. It honestly feels like a straight up lip gloss. It's very sticky, and as far as hydration is concerned, oh my god, guys, I got a little boogie, I'm so sorry. As far as hydration is concerned, I did wear this by itself, and honestly, within an hour my lips were dry. So I don't know how much hydration this provides, but for me, I probably would just personally use it as a gloss, because it smells good and the shine is just gorgeous, as you guys can see. You can feel it on the lip. It's not light, like, and again, I don't know how hydrating it is, but as a gloss, I think it will do the job. Okay, we are pretty much almost at the end. We have one more order to get through, and it's a quick one because there's only 4 items in the box. So I did place an order at One Size Beauty for their new blushes as well as bronzers. So I picked up 2 of the blushes, 1 bronzer, and then I decided I was running very low on my brow pencil, so I was like, let me try their brow pencil because it was 25% off, and I did get a very special request from my boo, Tatanisha, here on YouTube to review the blushes and bronzers, so I picked them up. I picked these up because of her. So I did pick up 2 of the blushes, and the names of the blushes is Very That. Very That is the beautiful, it's a very pink, a soft pink blush, but let me show you guys the packaging. How freaking cute. Like, hello? Like, I feel like I am in the early 2000s with my flip phone.
Like, hey girl, where are you? Where we going? We going to McDonald's? Alright, sounds like a plan. Meet you on the corner, you already know.
But nah, like, look at how freaking cute, guys. I love this. So, oh, it comes, the cellophane needs to come off, but look. So it does come with a cream blush, a powder blush, and then a luminizer. Don't worry, guys, the video for this tutorial will be up soon. So I thoroughly enjoyed the peachy one. I cannot wait to use the pink one. I just want to make a disclaimer really quickly, guys. The cream blush in the actual palette looks a lot deeper in the pan, but when you put it on the skin, it's a lot lighter. When I put this peachy one on, y'all, I was like, oh my goodness, it's gonna be like super dark. It's not the color that I wanted. And then, y'all, when I put it on the skin, it was gorgeous. So let me show you guys the peach one. This comes in the baby pink packaging, which is so cute. And then when you open it, it's beautiful. So again, I thought this was like a nice like red burnt peach, and y'all, it is literally a stunning peach when you put it on the skin. It is darker in the pan. Just a disclaimer, this blush right here, y'all, period. One Size, y'all did that. And then, y'all, I thought this was going to be another blush too. This is a highlighter, and it is beautiful. Y'all see that glow? Y'all see that glow? Y'all know usually I put my cream color base from MAC on. This is all this. All that you see on my cheek is this palette. Love it. I thought this was going to come with a actual cream bronzer as well. This is in the red packaging. And then when you open it, it took the cellophane out. And then there are 3 shades of bronzers. I thought that there would be a cream in here. So I did not watch any reviews on the One Size blush trios or the bronzers because I wanted to give a non-biased review on the product, especially because this was a request. I definitely wanted to put them to the test. That is my job. That's what I like to do. So again, I didn't get to try this, but I definitely will try these in my next tutorial, so stay tuned for that. And I did pick up a brow pencil. I know that this one is not new, however, it's new to me and my channel, and I love the packaging, guys. The packaging is so cute. It doesn't feel as flimsy as the ABH one, and I feel like it won't break as easy. I am wearing this on my brows, y'all. I could have gone a little lighter, but you know, it is what it is. I can always lighten my brow hairs with a lighter gel or with a little bit of concealer if I want to get that light brown brow to match my wig. But listen, we do what we do. But I like the brow pencil. The brow pencil is really good. Alright guys, we made it to the end of the haul. If you guys have made it to the end, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you guys have any questions or concerns or requests, you guys already know, sound off down below. Guys, videos are coming, I promise you. Just be patient with me. I only have 2 days off a week, and usually those days I'm supposed to be catching up with things around the house, but I do come on here to try to bring you guys the best of the best, so bear with me. If you guys are enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. With that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in the next one.